So today we are in Rock City Gardens here in Tennessee, Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're gonna go check out the gardens here as well as the hikes, the waterfalls, and everything else they have to offer here. We're here for 4th of July weekend trying to celebrate our little holiday out here, so come check it out. So this is the main entrance to Rock Gardens, surrounded by a couple of different shops here. Let's go check this one out. So this is Woodland Wonders. And it looks like this little gnome guy here is probably the mascot out here. I saw a person dressed up as him earlier, so we might run into him. He's a Rock City gnome. So you got these cute little birdhouses that you can build yourself. That's really nice. That's really cool. Yeah, Rock City earrings, Rock City bottle openers and patches. Puzzles there. And just plush selection there. And a little fairy hollow over here. Say hi, gnome.
He's like, that's a little too close.
Say hi, gnome. Look, he has a froggy. You see the little froggy?
Cool, huh?
Say hi. Hi.
We got too close. He got scared.
Yeah. Alright, so I believe this is the main entrance to this Rock City Gardens here. So I'm not exactly sure. It's garden, it's like nice view, it's a trail. So oh, look how pretty it is in here.
Before we came, I looked into the trails here and I saw that there was a regular trail and then there was an accessible trail, so you could take your strollers or wheelchair access. We were just about to walk in and she told us you might not want to take it on this trail. So apparently we were going to start on the wrong trail, but she said the accessible one is only a 5-minute trail, whereas the other one is a 45-minute trail. So if you are planning on coming with a child, she suggested, the employee here suggested that we just park our stroller in the stroller parking and walk it if we wanted to see more of it. So just be prepared for that. We weren't expecting that. We thought the accessible trail was just as long and you can see just as much. But we're going to try to park our stroller and see how long he could last walking it. Apparently the other trail has a lot of steps, so just be prepared.
It's our first waterfall. So this is the entrance to Roxy. It's a little crowded today, so we're gonna wait a little bit. Oh, we come upon our first waterfall here.
Hi.
Hi, water. How cool is that? Look at all the waterfalls. It's pretty here. So definitely not stroller accessible here. This is pretty though. Oh wow, look at this.
It was advertised that the accessible way was just as great, but if it was only 5 minutes, that's not really worth it.
No, and I mean look at this like rock formation that we're walking through right here. This is insane. How cool is this though? Look at that.
You're fine, it's okay with this. That's a big boy.
Yeah, watch your head here.
I know. Okay.
A guy like me will knock himself out right here. This is cool though.
I just watch my steps too.
I know. Just keep an eye on him. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Okay, you got it.
Oh, this is narrow.
Yeah. Watch your step.
Whoa. Is that like a cave?
Looks like it.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a lighted cave in there. It says we have to stay in here, but that looks really, really cool. This is called the Needle's Eye. And it made Mama say holy moly. Oh crap, I don't know if that's made for me. What size doesn't fit all here, babe? Okay, hold on. This ain't gonna work.
You gotta take the backpack off.
Yeah, I gotta take the backpack off. Holy cow.
Okay, come on.
I feel like a cow.
You got it, Robert?
Yeah, I got it. Holy cow, this is insane. Alright, this is a tight squeeze, y'all. This is cool though.
Okay, put your hat back on, please. I don't want to carry you.
Trying to make sure I don't.
Oh my gosh!
That was dope though. That was really cool.
That made me very nervous.
That was intense. I don't think.
There's like 500 people in front of us going first.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, if they can all do it, we can do it.
I felt very claustrophobic in there though. That was a tight squeeze.
Hi. What do you hear? Do you hear all the bugs? Oh wow, we're going through the Goblin Underpass. You ready for this?
What is the goblin? Oh, I gotta crouch.
We gotta duck down a little bit. It's gonna get dark. Nah.
Can you?
I could walk straight. I could walk tall.
Can you see anything?
You can see a little bit, hopefully.
This is all like straight up stone.
Yeah,
too.
straight rock right
Cool.
there. Whoa. Have a tour so you could get the QR code and follow the tour as you're going along. On the other side of the refreshment stand, they do have some tables so you could stop and take a break and sit and drink, or if you bring a picnic, you could eat here. So it's really nice because you could actually stop along the way. Okay, so the next one is going to be the Swing Along and Stone Bridge. So we're heading to the Stone Bridge right now.
Down to Lover's Leap.
Ooh, look at where that's going. A lot of stairs going down there. So that was the swing bridge, which would be an awesome picture. But Mama's too scared, so we are now on the Stone Bridge. A lot more stable. See, we went on the stone bridge. Oh, look at this. Oh wow, this is beautiful.
Look how high we are.
So this is the Lover's Leap. There's the waterfall right there. I believe I heard some musicians about getting ready to play some music, so we might hear some music right now. Oh my goodness.
This is awesome. This is pretty cool.
And looks like they have their live musician right here. Matt Downer is playing.
Yeah, see, that's a banjo.
The banjo.
He's playing a banjo. Yeah. Oh,
In the 1950s, they had over 800 barns from Michigan to Texas to Florida painted with Sea Rock City to get more people to come out here. Whoa, we are at the top of the waterfall.
hold on.
I could feel the water splashing back too. Wow. So this is the lookout to see 7 states. So you could see Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Alabama. That is the beginning of the C7 States Lookout. We start over in Tennessee. I'm not really sure where each one starts and ends, but we get a gist of it. Goes into Kentucky, Virginia, move over to North Carolina, into South Carolina, Georgia, and lastly Alabama, all the way over there. What an amazing view. Right out at the lookout point, they have all of the state flags for the 7 states that you could see on this corner. And it is a nice and windy, breezy day, so they are flying. They have a cafe at the top here called Cafe 7. We'll take a look and see what they have. We're probably not going to eat here because we're not hungry yet, but let's see what they have here on the menu. Fried green tomatoes. We got some sandwiches, also some smaller plates too if you want to just get some chips or potato salad. And they have quite a few areas just to sit around and enjoy the breeze or enjoy the view, take a little rest after that little hike. I don't think I've ever seen a pizza box recycle area. I'm sure it gets pretty hot out here, so it's nice they have a little mister machine. The aqua fog feels really good when you're passing through it. That was fun.
You kept asking what was that?
And over there is a gift shop as well. It looks like they have live performances throughout the day, so they have quite a few different people rotating throughout this area.
Come from Alabama, with a banjo on my knee. Gone to Louisiana, like true love for the sea. Rained on that the alley, weather it was dry. Sun so hot I froze.
Do you like the music? There's another cute little photo op area with a bench, and it tells you the year and the month that you're here, so that's pretty cool. I think you could actually pay to purchase the dirt for them to mine, but they have some of the things out here.
So you could buy the sand over there, and I think it has like some rocks in it, and you sift it through, or you could just play with it.
Yeah.
He wants to play with it.
Go ahead and let him play with it for a minute. You want to go play with it? Go.
Can you reach up here? Oh! Or is that too high for you?
That's okay. He doesn't need to be that into it. Whoa, see?
Look, you do it like this. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
And he's already over it. I think with our son, he's more interested in the water than anything else. It's like, let's just touch the muddy water.
Oh, look at that thing.
You could actually buy different types of bags. It looks like they range about $10.99. So this is just the gemstone bag. That one says it's a larger one. It looks pretty much the same size. And then they also have this really big one over here, which looks like it actually has gemstones, arrowheads, crystals, shark teeth, and fossils. There's quite a few things you could buy in there. Or you could dig in there. It looks like the red bags are $7.99 and the yellow bags are $10.99. They also have some geodes that you could crush for $7. We've got the kids playing with the toys over here. We're going to continue on the path over here to keep seeing what they have.
There is turtle shell rock, or tortoise shell rock, which looks like a turtle, or tortoise. It's a turtle that looks like a tortoise.
It looks like a grumpy old man to me. We are going to head down the stairs and going through what's called Fat Man's Squeeze.
Okay, so this is Robert's Squeeze.
Okay. These stairs, man, there's a lot of stairs.
No?
Watch where you're going. It's very wide, and then it gets very, very narrow as you get to the bottom of these stairs.
Yeah, this is not good.
It's okay.
That would have been painful.
Take a step. Take a step. Okay, this is getting very narrow. We can barely squeeze through with the pack.
You'll fall down.
Someone get a stick.
Maybe Dad's getting that home and they got bad knees.
You guys stop.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, Lucas, lead the way. No?
Oh wow, look at the top here. That was scary and cool all at the same time.
So cool.
Yeah. You want to do it again? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that over there.
So we found a little spot here where we could sit down and rest. This little rest area here. This little platform. After going through that cave. Lucas is having his little snack and crackers. And it continues through here. So we came out of that cavern over there. And it goes through all of this right here. Goes around that way, under there. And behind that statue, because we're next going to go I think this is called the fairy tale thing there, and so it's in there. All right, and we're off. Ooh, the big red door. What's in the red door?
Walk it?
Yeah.
You want to walk?
Ooh,
Give me your hand.
it's dark in here.
Like.
Okay, well it's high enough for me though. Oh wow, look at that.
Swing bridge.
That's cool, look at that.
Yeah, I don't think you go against the traffic.
Rainbow. There's a rainbow.
What color is that?
Oh, cool, rainbow.
See all the colors?
Come on.
Red. And what's that? Orange. No, yellow. And green. Green. And blue. And pink. And purple or violet. It's called Lover's Leap because a Chickasaw warrior fell in love with a Cherokee maiden. The tribes were in dispute, so they eloped. They found out and they tossed him over the cliff. In her despair, she jumped after him.
We are about to head to Undercliff Passage. Is it too dark in there? It's a bit dark in there. Can you see? It's okay. Get Daddy's hand. Get Daddy's hand. You'll be okay. There's some fairy lights on the top too. They barely come out, but we are right under that bridge. You can hear people jumping across. What do you think so far?
It's nice.
It's really cool, huh?
Yeah. He's like really ready to go.
He's ready to go, but it's his nap time, so we're making our way to the exit before he jumps. Crazy kid.
Here's the kid's trying to jump. He's trying his darnest to climb.
This guy is trying to rock climb.
He's bouldering right now. Not rock climbing.
Okay, but don't go farther in there because we can't get you out.
There's spiders. Come on. Let's go look at the gnomes.
No.
The gnomes are this way. See, look. Look at that. Those are the rock trolls that left. Oh, those are the rock trolls to me. I don't know about you.
That totally looks like it. Now this is the Hall of the Mountain King. You see him holding up the rock right next to Robert?
Oh, that's cool.
Robert. Robert, you see him right there?
Oh! I thought you were talking about that rock. That's holding it together. Come on. Yeah,
Okay, sing and let it go.
you see, look, Anna froze the ground here. Or Elsa, or whatever her name is.
Whoa!
I thought you were talking about that rock right there.
That is so cool.
Yeah, look.
He's like mesmerized by the glow in the dark. Floors here.
He said Anna Elsa here.
Yeah, because it looks like where she steps in the movie. Because that's why he said, "Here I stand."
Here I stand. Look, he saw the gnomes. You see him running, right?
Whoa, what did you find, buddy?
I've seen these all over the place, but I haven't really scanned them. Let's see what happens if I scan them.
Okay.
So there's a QR code for a scavenger hunt, but there's no cell phone service here, so when I clicked on it, nothing happened. Maybe you need to have an app or something for it, I think.
Maybe they have Wi-Fi.
Or
I don't know.
Or an application that you probably
Yeah.
need to. But I've seen them all over the place. I just haven't had a chance to scan them.
And just gotta show you
Oh, I
how
remember
beautiful.
seeing people pass through here.
And we did walk through that area up there too, but man, is this beautiful.
Yeah, watch your head.
This is insane.
I already smacked my head pretty bad right now.
Yeah, it's not very good if you have a hat on.
Or a kid.
Or a little kid.
He's actually leading me.
He's fine.
He's leading the way right now.
It's for the tall folks.
No, this is not a ride.
He thinks we're going on a ride right now.
If I find a ride, I will get you on it. I promise, okay?
We're exploring nature,
Right now,
Lucas.
this is just, oh, look at that. Like spider
Whoa.
webs in there.
That
Yeah,
is
it's
really
cool.
cool.
Here, we're doing
Ooh,
This
look at
way.
the Magic Valley. Go look for gnomes. They go hee hee. The gnome goes hee hee.
The gnome sounds like Michael Jackson.
No. Michael Jackson goes hee hee.
Don't teach our son that.
Oh wow, look at that. That looks so cool.
I didn't mean like stay behind. Oh, look at
There's
those.
like corals up there.
Look at these shiny things. Look at those.
Wow.
I want one.
Tavern, and we are back, it looks like, at the entrance, which I think leads you out to, of course, gift shop areas.
Look at the pretty flowers.
Say, look at the birdhouse.
Mm-hmm.
We've seen multiple birdhouses that look like the barn that say Rock City, Sea Rock City.
They sell that birdhouse.
Yeah. And my son is trying to get into the water right now. We can't get in there, bud.
Can't go in there, kid. So this is an homage to Tom Thumb Golf. Why is this here? Well, they're telling me that miniature golf was invented here and patented here by the family that owned this land. The people that lived here wanted a golf course, and so they made a miniature golf. No one had ever heard of this before, but obviously it blew up because you see these everywhere now.
I wanted to be able to say that I went and mini golfed on the very first mini golf course.
Yeah, we were not expecting to do that today, but hey.
It's like stuck by the street.
Yeah, it's a little bit. It's a little.
Let me get close.
That's cheating.
I know, but there you go.
Nope.
I'm not good at it, but at least I
Swing and a miss. Try it again. Mama tried. Look, let's see if Mama can do it.
No, it gets stuck on the rock.
We do have something that works rather well.
Yay!
We are gonna head into the gift store now. That is the last part of this little area. They have some coffee cups. They also have little tiny cups. Not sure what you would do with those. One of the ornaments they have are the C7 states in Rock City. They also have that one right there. They got quite a few of the gnomes. The Sea Rock City barn. So we might actually stop and look at these for a minute because we have to get one. So we always get an ornament on all of our adventures. You could get a Barn Rock City birdhouse, bird feeder. We have this one that looks like the barn too.
That is our tour here at Rock City here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I liked it a lot more than I thought I was going to. Definitely a very cool place to check out. It's a quick trail. Well, it's not a quick trail. It's about an hour-long trail that'll take you through. It took us about 2 hours because we had a kid and we were taking our time.
Looking at every little thing that we could, and he was walking through, so definitely about 2 hours.
Definitely about 2 hours. Going through some of those tight spaces in those caverns was definitely like the highlight.
Yeah, it was like nerve-wracking at first, and then once you go through it, you're like, oh, this is awesome.
Yeah.
So if you're not too claustrophobic, then I would try it.
Definitely not for the claustrophobic though, but
we made it through. We made it through with him, and so that was really awesome. He liked it. He actually saw, you know, all the gnomes and was so excited to see them, and now that's like one of his favorite little characters.
So hope you liked our tour here at Rock City. Like our videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
Thanks.